Hey everyone! Today I'm showing you Sprunki Shorky. And also, there are a few hidden Sprunki characters in this video. If you find them, write it in the comments. Sprunki Shorky is a small, fluffy shark-cat hybrid with bright blue eyes, messy white hair, and a wiggly tail. He looks adorable, but his energy is pure chaos. And now, the short Shorky story. One day, Shorky decided to create the perfect ocean beat. He jumped onto the music panel, slipped on his own tail, and hit the buttons with his face. Instantly, the speakers exploded with splashes, bubbles, and one extremely suspicious bloop. Shorky smiled proudly, like he meant to do that. Then he tried to add wave effects, but instead turned on a giant smoke machine. The whole room filled with fog, and only his glowing blue eyes were visible. When the smoke cleared, everyone was laughing, and Shorky casually kept playing like nothing happened.